Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty you will find out in this channel. And I love drugstore makeup, skincare, fashion. So anything of that sort interests you, please consider subscribing, like this video, share my videos with your friends and family. Now without further ado, let's get started. So this is the part 2. I'm going like back to back and I have to finish all these products. So I'm like mentioning the top beauty launches of like makeup category. We will do separate about skincare. So top makeup, like one product from each category that was released in 2021. So yeah, let's get started. So like this is the highlighter that was launched and broke the internet again. So this is the highlighter. See, it's so blinding. Let me just remove all the previous swatches so that it's not confusing kaun sa kya hai. So this is the very pretty highlighter, and ever since I bought this, constantly reaching for this. See, it's very blinding. So yeah, this is the rose gold, and this Wonder line is so pretty. The packaging and everything, the aesthetic of Mars is so pretty. We cannot deny that. It's so pretty. So yeah, this is a very blinding sort of a highlighter. You can tone this down, and this is the shade rose gold, and this just melts into my skin and it looks so pretty. So if you have fair to medium, try rose gold, and medium to deep, try gold. That I always love rose gold highlighters on me. So yeah, moving on to eyeshadow, where to begin with? I have tried so many palettes this year and I'm so confused. So from the Quartz, I'm doing like this, like I'm cheating. Okay, so from Quartz, I think the elf one was the standout. This every beauty blogger in the whole world loves this. This is internationally raved, and this is such a good quality eyeshadows for like 200 rupees. So yeah, a really good quality eyeshadows. They are very pigmented. I have this this is a mauve, cool tone mauve palette. This is the shade rose water. They have so many, but since I love mauve shades, so I bought this, and this is a very pretty mauve palette. Let's just do the 9 pans one. So for 9 pan, any SFR palette that I have tried today, I have the blue one, and oh my god, these are crazy pigmented. These are dupes of ColourPop, and I wish ColourPop was in India also. It's like really good. So see, this is the watermelon. Yeah, this is the watermelon, a very reddish tones, and this is really pretty. So if you have warm complexion, Indian complexion, try this. It's very pretty pigmented. I will of course swatch it. And this is a red base palette, and yeah, they are like monochromatic, so buy it according. I have 3 of them, and I have also tried recently this one is also really pretty. All the pastels, so SFR formula is so good. This is the pastel one, and this is the blue one that I have today used. It's very pretty. I have the pink one, the purple one, as I love mauves, purple, lavender. So I bought the purple one first. Let me remove this. So yeah, it's really difficult to pick one because I love blue, I love purple. The red one is like very pigmented, but red, I don't incline toward red. See, crazy pigment. You need a really little amount of it. Like all the shade are supremely pigmented. So yeah, these were in the 9 pans. I have tried the Swiss Beauty one, but I don't think so. Swiss Beauty one, keeps on launching new shade. And yeah, NYB one was also really good, really pigmented. So this is recently launched. So yeah, this is definitely 2021 launch, and see the pigment. So this is the blue green one, very pigmented, and these are buildable. So if you're a beginner, you can try this. SFR ones are really crazy pigmented, and these are buildable pigmented. So yeah, very they have black, so you can see it's a buildable formula. And yeah, these were the 9 pans that are standout. I have tried the Swiss Beauty one. I like them, but I like these ones more, so I'm mentioning them. And bigger palette, all the Mars one. I love Mars Cosmetic. They make so good stuff. So they have so many shades. You can try according to your preference. So this is the rainbow one. So if you want to try a rainbow palette, can try this Crazy Pigment. This is my favorite. It's very pretty, pigmented, buttery, smooth, blendable, Crazy Pigment. So if you are a beginner, be careful. See, Crazy Pigment. So yeah, a very pigmented shadow. And I have I have tried this also. So this is again by Mars, and this has this beautiful glitter. Wow, so pretty. It's really pretty and pigmented. I have tried so many palettes, and most of them were good. So these are, सबका same ही है, rainbow. They are rainbow palettes. So these are from, this palette. Every Mars eyeshadow palette, let me just swatch green, so कुछ different हो, all of them are looking same. Let me just swatch pinks. So I'm swatching this hot pink. My hand मेरा पूरा रंगोली बन गया हाथ में. So yeah, where to swatch it? This is the burgundy, green. Again, all the Mars eyeshadow palettes are really good. And how can I forget the 9 pan, if I belong in your purse? Oh my god, every beauty vlogger, let me just swatch that also. Yeah, it's really difficult in eyeshadow and lipstick. I can go on and on. Otherwise, I can choose one, but in eyeshadow and lipstick, I cannot choose one. Okay, don't ask me my favorite one palette, one lipstick. I cannot tell that. Okay, so at the, in 9 pans, this I belong in your purse eyeshadow range was really amazing. Let me just swatch it. It's a mauve base palette. It's really pigmented, and yeah, this is my favorite because I love mauve. So if I have to pick only one in a eyeshadow, oh yeah, I will choose this and the elf, where I kept it, the elf bite size, because these are mauve. So I love mauve, my favorite. So you can pick and choose your color theory. Like, this range is really good. Okay, at last we are moving on to lipstick. Okay, now I'm going to make a separate lipstick, like all the lipstick that were launched in 2021 that I have tried. There can be million launches, it's like crazy when it comes to makeup industry. But if you ask me, so this is the Maybelline Sensational liquid lipstick. So very pretty shade. First of all, this is the shade Best Babe. Really pretty pinky nude, and a very good liquid lipstick, non-drying. It does not dry out your lips. Very good. And it was like 300, 350, and they have a lot of neutrals. So if you are a nude lipstick lover, you can try that. And then this Mars butter stick, I really love them. So this is the Mars butter stick in a job interview. Fun fact, I wore it on my job interview. Yes, yeah. And so very pretty dark pinky brownie nude, very good. This will suit deeper complexion. On me it looks a deeper pink. And then from Blue Heaven, oh my god, they launched so many good quality lipstick, and my favorite one was this powder matte range. And yeah, this is the shade toffee brown. It's a very pretty brownie, warm sort of brown nude. So very pretty nude. So it's toffee brown, and it's a pinky brownie warm nude. And then another one is this, that one is 150, and this is not even 100 rupees. Yeah, it's the shade is dusky nude, a very nude shade on me. So if you are a fair complexion person, you can try this. Is dusky nude. It's a warm nude, and this formula is also really good. Does not feels like a 100 rupees lipstick, and a very good creamy matte sort of formula. Really pretty formula, and I love this shade dusky nude. I'm going to swatch just one or two, and there are so many lipstick launches in 2021 that I love. So this is the last. I have already swatched 4 of them. This video will be million year long. So many lipstick were launched in 2021. I can make separate video. So this is the last. This is the newly launched L18 liquid lipstick. So a very liquid, like thin formula. And yeah, it's very one side pigmented, and it dries down quickly. Not a very drying liquid lipstick. And this is the shade Tawny Wood, a very orangey brown. Yeah, so this is Tawny Wood. So yeah, I will make a different video on all of the lipstick that I have tried in 2021. There were a lot, many. Lipstick are the favorite thing to launch, by brand. Everybody launch lipstick, new lipstick. So yeah, that's that for this video. So I hope you like this video, and yeah, this year was good in terms of makeup launches. A lot of beautiful makeup were launched in 2021 for lipstick. I will do a separate video. I can do a separate video on eyeshadow, although I swatched quite a lot of eyeshadow in this video as well. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Please, if you like this video, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on the notifications bell, and yeah, share my videos with the friends and families, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.